Hello, friends. It's Wednesday, and Trade Ideas continues to highlight the action. There's 9,000 symbols in the market. It's a giant fire hose of data, and if you're looking to play the action, you're going to have to look for a scanner that shows you in real time, because if you can guess ahead of time where the action is, well, then you are a clairvoyant genius. But in the meantime, let me highlight something. This was yesterday. APLD showed up on our AI scanner. At the end of the day, beginning of the day, the AI said buy. At the end of the day, it took its profits. But the point is, today, APLD continues to show momentum on the daily chart here. All right. And then today, it's not on our AI. It was yesterday. Today, it's on our races. It's actually the #1 performing stock on our races. So you will never miss the action on Trade Ideas. We've got a test drive coming up on June 5th. That means 2 weeks trial for $11, covers your live data. Uh, don't forget to check us out. You'll be seeing more about that. So good luck out there. Have a good day.